hey girl, or maybe I should say, hey brother, hey sister. Because this isn't about gender, it's about something deeper, something you didn't announce, something you didn't even fully notice, but it is happening inside you. The things that once controlled your emotions are slowly losing their grip. People you once revolved around don't feel like your entire world anymore. And you didn't force this change. It just happened. Quietly. You thought you were just growing up. But what if something deeper is happening? What if Allah is not taking things away, but gently breaking your dependency on them? Because the heart was never meant to bow to creation. Not love, not approval, not attention, not validation. Everything in this dunya was never designed to hold your entire peace. And yet, we kept trying to make it do exactly that. And when it started failing, we called it pain. But maybe it was mercy in disguise. There are moments in life when Allah doesn't change your situation first. He changes your attachment to the situation, because a heart attached too tightly to anything other than Him will always break in ways it cannot understand. So He begins to loosen things, not to punish you, but to free you. The friend who became distant, the dream that stopped feeling exciting, the approval you stopped receiving, the expectations that no longer come true. It is not random, it is realignment. And even though it feels like loss, it might actually be liberation. We often imagine closeness to Allah as instant comfort, as everything suddenly becoming easy. But the reality is more subtle than that. Sometimes Allah brings a heart closer to Him by gently loosening what it is attached to, not to take peace away, but to remove what was blocking real peace from entering. Because a heart that clings too tightly to creation cannot fully experience the stability of its Creator. So Allah begins a quiet process. He shifts what the heart depends on, not through destruction, but through redirection. And at first, it feels unfamiliar. The things that once felt permanent start feeling temporary. The things you leaned on emotionally don't hold the same weight anymore. And you begin to question, why is everything changing? But slowly, a deeper understanding unfolds. Nothing outside is collapsing. It is the heart being trained to stop depending on what was never meant to hold it. Because real peace was never meant to come from control, or from people, or from circumstances staying perfect. It was always meant to come from a heart anchored in Allah alone. And when that shift completes, the heart realizes something it didn't understand before. Even in detachment, there is mercy. Even in uncertainty, there is guidance. And even in change, there is Allah's quiet wisdom working in ways you could not see at the time. So what feels like instability is actually the heart learning where true stability was always meant to be. One day, you will look back and understand. Nothing was going wrong. It was being corrected. Allah only removed what your heart was too attached to, so it could learn balance and sincerity. Don't panic at change. Some things aren't leaving your life. They are leaving your heart, and that changes everything. So if your heart feels unsettled, Don't assume you are being abandoned. Maybe you are being realigned. And when it settles, you will see you didn't lose peace. You were guided back to it. If this reminder touched your heart, write Ameen in the comments.